Hello traders, today is Monday, March 28th. It's about 12:30 New York time. I'm doing a review on the Atlas line up until this point. For my traders who have the Atlas line, this is the same exact signals that you should have. Let's do a review on what happened today so far. There's a long signal at 45.39 quarter. This signal was successful. This is a winning trade. Then you have additional strength and pullback trades if you want to take them. I think strength and pullback trades are good, but again, follow the rules. We want to enter as close as possible according to the rules. Next, we have a short trade, which is this is the Trade Scalper that I took. You can watch the video. This actually is a bounce trade, and I can actually turn that on just to show you guys. If you decide to take the bounce trades, you can turn them on or off. Here's the bounce signal, and you should see it there. Yep. So here's the bounce signal at about 10:40 this morning. This is a long signal, and the way it works is it hits the Atlas line, bounces off of it. There's rules involved for the targets and the stops. Successful trade. Market went straight up. And then you have all of these signals here to go long. Basically, the reason is, as you know, we include the live training for everyone who has this, is because the market hits this here. And then you have all of these short signals. Now the reason for these short signals, I'm just going to get them here out of the way, is because the market first traded below the Atlas line and closed below it. So there has to be a certain number of closings below the Atlas line, which is this yellow line here, this yellow triangle dashed line here, in order for the signal to occur. That's number one. Number two is if the market hits it again and bounces off of it as if it's hitting resistance, once again, then you have these Atlas line B, which is Atlas line bounce short signals. You don't have to take every single signal. Once you're short, once you're in the trade short, it's always best just to hold on to your trade and see it through. Really the goal is once the market drops below it, we're going to focus on short signals, follow the software, use the rules based on the targets and the stops, and then you have additional, as you can see here, pullback and strength trades. Great pullback trade right here, another strength trade, another pullback trade winner, another good trade here. Now we're here at about 12:30. The market may give us another signal, but it definitely has to go lower. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the live training occurring weekly for the Atlas line, and I will see you guys in class. Take care now. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.